Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Following my previous video on the Global Talent Visa, many people have reached out to me um, talking about how difficult it is for them to navigate the website. Because there are a series of categories of global talent depending on your circumstances. So, because we are preaching DIY in this channel, doing things yourself as a global talent visa holder, you need to be able to do a lot of research. I'll seize this opportunity to take you through the website, see how you can search the website, um, and then map out the existing global talent visa categories currently on the gov.uk website. So without much hesitation, let's search the Google for UK global talent visa. UK global talent visa. So you can see the first um you know output here says apply for global talent visa overview. Click on that, and you can see that the website reads apply for the global talent visa. So one of the places you need to pay much attention to is whenever you search like this, you look at the content. So the content of this first page says overview. Documents you need to apply from outside the UK, your partner and children, extend your visa, switch to this visa. But the main important content on this page would be going to first look at the overview. So overview gives you like a broader view of what content lies on this particular page. So for the overview now, you can see you can apply for global talent visa to work in the UK if you're a leader or potential leader in one of the following fields: academia or research. Put that down. Then you've got arts and culture. Then you've got digital technology. You must also be at least 18 years old. So now you can see that the global talent visa, that the key categories: academia or research, arts and culture, digital technology, the third. So going down, you'd see applying as the winner of an eligible prestigious prize. So he said before, aside from those three key category, you can as well apply if you have eligible prestigious prize without requiring endorsement, because you say, as you can see on the website, you can apply for the global talent visa without an endorsement if you have won an eligible prize, prestigious prize. To be eligible for this route, the prize must be named on the list. Other prizes awards by the same institution are not eligible. So that means um, we've got two categories of global talent visa. We've got the endorsement route, under which the academia or research, arts and culture, digital technology falls, and then we've got the prestigious prize route, where you do not require endorsement. So I can say the endorsement route and the non-endorsement route. So now for the non-endorsement route, which is the eligible prestigious prize route, let's check and see some of the prizes can that can make you eligible for this category. So now under the global talent eligible prize, prestigious prize list, you can see some of the lists on the screen. Global talent architecture prizes, global talent arts and culture prizes, global talent digital technology prizes, global talent fashion design industry prizes, global talent film and television prizes, global talent science, engineering, humanities, social science, and medicine prizes. So these are some of the prizes that you need to hold if for you to be eligible to apply under the eligible prestigious prize category, which I also refer to as the non-endorsement category. Then let's go back. Now you going down here, you would see applying for an endorsement. If you have not won a prize which is named on the list, you will need to apply for an endorsement instead. So as I said, there's the endorsement route, and there is the non-endorsement route. So the non-endorsement route is the applying through prestigious prize if you have won, but if not, you have to apply under the endorsement route. And then the endorsement route uh, encompasses the academia or research, arts and culture, and then digital technology. You can as well um, you know check out any of the three and see. Let's see what they've got under each of these endorsement route. So let's click on the academia and research. For the academia and research, if you look at the content page, you would see overview once again, academic or research, individual fellowship, UKRI research, and innovation endorsement. Then you would see peer review. So under the overview, you will also see some of the discipline that qualifies you to be able to apply under these routes. You've got the science, the medicine, engineering, humanities, and social science. So these five disciplines are well represented under the academic and research category. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. You would see now how you apply depends on whether you have, number one, have an eligible job offer as an academic or research. So now under the academic and research route, we now have four different routes. I would say subcategory, a subset under the academic and research category is the job offer category, which is called also referred to as route one. Then having an individual fellowship, route two. Having a research grant that is approved by UK Research and Innovation, route three. Then you can as well get your application peer reviewed, route four. So now that means under the academic and research route, you have four different routes under the academic and research category. You've got the academic or research jobs. Then you need to also have individual fellowship. That is the second route. Then uh, um, if you're also privileged to have research grants that is approved by UKRI, if you are named on the grant, then you can as well apply. Then you can as well put your experience together, your document together over the years, so to get it peer reviewed by experts. And that's the route four. So now uh, we've got four routes under the academic and research. So let's go back to the home page, arts and culture. Under the arts and culture, you can see, just uh, take a look at the overview as well. You see um the art and culture covers combined arts, dance, literature, music, theater, or visual arts. Then architect, fashion design. Then you've got film and television, including animation, post-production, and visual effects. So these are some of the uh, uh, um, field that is also covered other art and culture. So you might also want to go down and look at how you qualify via any of these field. Then let's go back to the main homepage, which the third is the digital technology. Let's check the digital technology. Um, so you can also see the overview. Under the overview, you would see financial technology field, gaming, cyber security, artificial intelligence. So you also need to look at all these four fields and see which of them do you kind of qualify through, or which of these fields are you currently um, a leader or a potential leader, and a leader or an emerging leader. So you can as well take a look at the entire website and read through. And so this is how you are able to understand some of the contents in the website. When you go into the um, gov.uk website, or just search um, UK Global Talent Visa, you want to first look at the contents page. So the content lists out, it's like a table of content that lists out what will be captured in that particular page. And when you're done looking at the contents of the page, then you go straight to the overview. Make sure you read and digest whatever is in the overview, and from them you can now go deeper, or read deeper about each of those routes and each of those feeds. So for what I've mapped here in this video, I will include the map I created from this video on as a picture. Then you can have a look and see how I've managed to map out um, the existing UK Global Talent routes in the UK. So we can as well go back to the home page. So in a subsequent video, we'll be taking this four um, route under the academic and research, one after the other. Maybe starting from the academic or research, then going into the second route, which is individual fellowship, then followed by the UK research and innovation and endorsement route, then lastly the peer review route, which is the one I used. So yeah, I hope I've been able to also share with you how you can navigate the website. And then in the meantime, you can comment um, your concern, your question. You can like, share this video. Until next time, remain blessed. My name is Olufemi Adesina. Thank you. Bye.